We all know the feeling, that nagging ache in your knee when you climb stairs, or the sharp twinge in your back after a long day. Just like teeth can ache, our joints can speak to us through pain. Both teeth and joints are tough and resilient. They are designed to withstand years of use. However, both can wear down over time, leading to discomfort and even pain. Joints have a remarkable capacity to heal and rebuild. Let's delve into the fascinating world of joint health and discover how to keep our bodies moving with ease and vitality. Our joints are marvels of engineering. They are the meeting points of our bones, allowing us to bend, twist and move freely. Think of them as the hinges that hold our skeletons together, enabling us to navigate the world around us. What makes joints truly remarkable is their ability to regenerate. Unlike teeth, which have limited healing capacity, joints are constantly renewing themselves. Special cells within our joints work tirelessly to repair damaged tissue and maintain smooth, pain-free movement. This regeneration process is fueled by several factors, including a healthy blood supply, proper nutrition, and regular physical activity. When these elements are in balance, our joints can effectively repair and rebuild themselves, keeping us active and pain-free. However, factors like inflammation and aging can disrupt this delicate balance, making it harder for our joints to keep up with the demands of daily life. Let's explore how these factors impact joint health and what we can do to counteract their effects. Inflammation is a natural part of our body's healing process. When we experience an injury, inflammation rushes to the area to fight off infection and repair damaged tissue. However, chronic inflammation can have the opposite effect, leading to joint pain, stiffness, and even damage. As we age, our bodies become more prone to inflammation. This can be due to a variety of factors, including a decline in immune function, increased oxidative stress, and the accumulation of toxins in the body. This chronic, low-grade inflammation can wear down cartilage, the protective cushion between our bones, leading to joint pain and stiffness. Think of it like rust slowly corroding metal. Over time, chronic inflammation can erode the smooth surface of our joints, making movement difficult and painful. This is why it's crucial to address inflammation through natural methods that support our body's innate healing abilities. In the upcoming sections, we'll explore practical and effective ways to combat inflammation and support joint health naturally without relying on medications. For centuries, people have turned to nature's medicine cabinet for relief from aches and pains. Essential oils extracted from plants offer a natural way to address joint discomfort. Frankincense oil is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce swelling and pain in joints. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut oil and massage it in. Turmeric oil, derived from the spice, contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory. It can reduce joint pain and stiffness. Experiment with different oils to find what works best for you. Always dilute essential oils and consult a healthcare professional if needed. First remedy to consider is ancient remedy, modern relief bone broth for healthy cartilage. Bone broth, a staple in traditional diets for centuries, is experiencing a resurgence in popularity, and for good reason. This nutrient-dense broth is packed with compounds that support joint health, particularly collagen. Collagen is a protein that forms the building blocks of cartilage, tendons, and ligaments, the connective tissues that keep our joints strong and flexible. As we age, our bodies produce less collagen, leading to joint stiffness and pain. Bone broth, made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues, is a rich source of collagen. Regularly consuming bone broth can help replenish our collagen stores, supporting cartilage regeneration and maintaining joint health. Think of bone broth as a nourishing soup for your joints, providing the essential building blocks they need to stay strong and resilient. Incorporate bone broth into your diet a few times a week to reap its joint-supporting benefits. Second remedy to consider is fight fire with food, ginger and anti-inflammatory powerhouses. The old adage, "Let food be thy medicine," holds true when it comes to joint health. Certain foods possess potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help tame the fires of inflammation and alleviate joint pain. Ginger, a pungent root commonly used in Asian cuisine, is a prime example. Ginger contains gingerol, a bioactive compound with powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Studies have shown that ginger can reduce pain and stiffness in people with osteoarthritis. Incorporate ginger into your diet by adding it to stir-fries, soups or smoothies. You can also enjoy ginger tea or take ginger supplements. Other anti-inflammatory powerhouses include fatty fish like salmon and tuna, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, berries, packed with antioxidants, and leafy green vegetables loaded with vitamins and minerals that support overall health. By making conscious food choices, we can nourish our joints from the inside out, reducing inflammation and promoting long-term joint health. Another point to consider is soothing the ache home remedies for joint comfort. Beyond diet and supplements, several home remedies can provide relief from joint pain and stiffness. These simple yet effective practices can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Warm baths are a time-tested remedy for sore joints. The warmth of the water helps relax muscles and increase blood flow to the area, reducing pain and stiffness. Add Epsom salt to your bath for added benefits. Epsom salt contains magnesium, a mineral that can help relax muscles and reduce inflammation. Another effective home remedy is pepper oil. Pepper oil contains capsaicin, a compound that creates a warming sensation and can temporarily relieve pain. Apply a small amount of pepper oil to the affected area and massage gently. Always test a small area of skin first to check for sensitivity. These home remedies, while simple, can provide much-needed relief from joint discomfort. Experiment with different remedies and find what works best for you. Moving through pain. Differentiating joint pain causes. Not all joint pain is created equal. Understanding the root cause of your joint discomfort is crucial for finding effective relief. Joint pain can be broadly categorized into two types: pain during movement, also known as mechanical pain, and pain at rest, known as inflammatory pain. Mechanical pain, as the name suggests, occurs during movement and is often caused by wear and tear on the joints, such as osteoarthritis. This type of pain tends to worsen with activity and improve with rest. Inflammatory pain, on the other hand, is present even at rest and is often a sign of an underlying inflammatory condition such as rheumatoid arthritis. This type of pain is often accompanied by swelling, stiffness, and warmth in the affected joint. Differentiating between these two types of pain can help you determine the best course of treatment. If you're experiencing persistent joint pain, consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and guidance. Next, move your body, heal your joints. The power of physical activity. It may seem counterintuitive, but moving your body is crucial for maintaining healthy joints. Regular physical activity helps strengthen the muscles surrounding our joints, providing support and stability. Exercise also increases blood flow to the joints, delivering nutrients and oxygen essential for repair and regeneration. Additionally, physical activity helps lubricate the joints, reducing stiffness and improving range of motion. Choose activities that are gentle on your joints, such as swimming, cycling or walking. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Listen to your body and rest when needed. Remember, movement is medicine for our joints. By staying active, we can keep our joints lubricated, strong and pain-free. Your prescription for pain-free movement. A holistic approach. Achieving lasting relief from joint pain requires a holistic approach that addresses the root causes of discomfort. By incorporating natural remedies, making conscious food choices and staying active, we can support our body's innate healing abilities and enjoy a lifetime of pain-free movement. Start by incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your diet, such as ginger, turmeric and fatty fish. Nourish your joints with bone broth, a rich source of collagen. Explore the power of essential oils like frankincense and turmeric oil for natural pain relief. Make time for regular physical activity, choosing activities that are gentle on your joints. Listen to your body and rest when needed. Remember, movement is medicine for our joints. By embracing a holistic approach to joint health, we can unlock the body's remarkable capacity for healing and enjoy a life filled with movement, vitality, and freedom from pain.